In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn auto refresh mode on or off in ClickUp. ClickUp is an all-in-one productivity platform designed to help you manage your tasks, projects, and workflows. One of its handy features is auto refresh, which updates your dashboards or team spaces in real time. But depending on your workflow, you may want to toggle this feature on or off. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the process, so you can customize this setting to fit your needs. Let's dive in. First, open ClickUp and take a look at the left side of the interface. This is commonly referred to as the left pane, where you can navigate through different sections of your workspace. From there, go ahead and click on the option labeled Dashboard in the navigation menu. Once you're in the Dashboard section, select the specific dashboard you want to work with. This might be a dashboard you've already set up for tracking tasks, monitoring progress, or centralizing key data. Now, turn your attention to the right side of the screen. This is where you'll find the auto refresh section. Here, you can check the current status of auto refresh. It will either be enabled or disabled, and you'll see a toggle switch that indicates its status. If auto refresh is currently enabled and you want to turn it off, simply click on the toggle switch. This will disable the feature, and your dashboard will no longer update automatically. On the other hand, if auto refresh is disabled and you'd like to enable it, click the toggle again to turn it on. This will activate real-time updates for your dashboard. If you're managing auto refresh settings for a team space, the steps are just as simple. Head back to the left pane of ClickUp and navigate to Team Space. Once you're in the team space you want to adjust, look over to the right side of the interface. Just like in the dashboards, you'll find the auto refresh control here. From this point, you can toggle the auto refresh setting on or off depending on your preference, whether you're enabling it to keep your team's updates in sync or disabling it to reduce distractions. The choice is entirely up to you. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start managing your workflows today. And that's it. You now know how to turn auto refresh mode on or off in ClickUp for both dashboards and team spaces. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.